Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy D here at D's Garage. Here we go, folks. Let's go ahead and install these cap lights here on this 2026 Ford F-250 Lariat. Let me show you guys this truck here. Look how beautiful this truck is. We just finished doing some cab lights on the customer's GMC. Now he wants it done on his Ford, so we're gonna go ahead and do that for him. But just look at the wheels on this puppy. Beautiful setup he's got here as well, suspension wise. Look at that, looking really nice. But guess what? Is missing something. This truck is definitely missing something. And that something is cap lights. So we got these original factory cap lights we're going to be installing. Now, gentlemen, this is not an easy process. Let me tell you guys, this kind of work is going to take time. And we're going to make sure to nail these things down to the bone. First thing is, when you guys are getting something like this done, this is custom install. It's not factory, right? So just be sure that when you get something like this done is what you want. It's not going to be perfect, but we will guarantee to try to do our best to get them there. So let's go ahead and get started on it. I'm going to share some part numbers with you guys just in case you guys like to do the same. So this is the part number for the cab lights themselves. This is the wiring harness. And you need a couple of screws to screw them down with, and some little washers to kind of keep that water from getting in there. So let's see how it goes. Let's go ahead and tear everything down. We're also going to be adding a kill switch to this one, so this is gonna take me a good full day. The good thing is the customer dropped it off, so I don't have to worry about anybody watching over me, so I can take my time. If I need a day or two, that's what it's gonna take. We're gonna start by tearing down all the inside, all the way down. Let's see how it goes, guys. Stay tuned. Look at this beautiful truck though. Big old screen and everything. Let's go ahead and set it up. Let's go.